Welcome back. Today we are going to learn Microsoft Word tips and tricks part 1. So in this presentation I am going to teach you few keyboard shortcuts and another important hidden cool features in Microsoft Word Clipboard Multipaste. First we learn keyboard shortcut. So these keyboard shortcuts can provide an easier and quicker method of using Microsoft Office, especially Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. So these keyboard shortcuts you can use in Microsoft Word as well as Microsoft PowerPoint. First we will see what is this Ctrl plus arrow key. So arrow key means even right arrow key or left arrow key. Suppose if you want to move one word at a time, you holding down the Ctrl key while pressing the right arrow will move the cursor to the right. That means one word at a time. Keep holding Ctrl key and press right arrow key. Suppose if you want to come back to the left side, keep holding Ctrl key and press left arrow key. So to move word right one at a time, Ctrl plus right arrow key. To move the cursor to the left, Ctrl plus left arrow key. This is with respect to move the cursor one word at a time. So remember Ctrl plus right or left arrow key. Now another important shortcut key you can use is Ctrl plus Backspace. So if you want to delete a letter left to your cursor, usually we are going to press backspace. If you wish to delete the entire word left to the insertion point or left to the cursor, press Ctrl plus backspace. So this shortcut key deletes word to the left of the insertion point one word at a time. So this is again a very good shortcut key you can use even in Microsoft PowerPoint also. Ctrl plus backspace. Delete one word at a time to the left of the cursor or insertion point. If you want to change your text case like uppercase, lowercase, sentence case in MS Word or PowerPoint, then there is a keyboard shortcut key for you. That is, keep holding Shift then press F3. So Shift plus F3 is the change case keyboard shortcut. So any selected text or word or group of words or sentence or paragraph, after selecting you keep holding Shift and press F3. So uppercase, again if you press it will become lowercase, again if you press it will become sentence case, again you can repeat. So uppercase, lowercase, sentence case. Even you can select each word and you can do repeatedly by keep holding Shift key and press F3. So the shortcut key for to change the case of the text quickly is Shift plus F3. So the last important feature in the Microsoft Word is what is called Clipboard Multipaste. When you need to paste any word, usually we select a particular text and we will paste. It is when we select and we'll copy or by pressing Ctrl C, then we will paste in the target place. Again if you want to copy some text, again we'll do Ctrl C, then we'll paste Ctrl V. Now whatever you want to paste, whatever we copied recently, it will be pasted. So there is a feature called Clipboard in the Microsoft Word, where whatever things you are copied, it will be there in that particular document for certain time period. In some case it for few days also. So you can see here, if you copy, automatically it is pasted or stored in our clipboard. Again if you copy any other group of words or sentence or paragraph, it is automatically pasted or stored as a data in the clipboard. And it is not only copied, it is copied is format also. Whatever color you have put to particular word or whatever format you have done, everything is pasted in the clipboard. Even you can copy entire sentence or paragraph. As soon as you copy, you can see before pasting only it is automatically stored in our clipboard. Suppose if you want to paste any particular item you copied recently, just click that item, image or sentence in that clipboard. Okay, automatically it is pasted. You no need to do Ctrl B or paste. Click whatever item you want to paste, just click over that particular item in the clipboard. This is also very good cool feature and many people doesn't know about this. So when you're working in a Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, you can use this Clipboard Multipaste. You can copy all or you can paste whatever copied in that particular time duration, you can paste in your document. You can paste all or you can clear all whatever you pasted. So here you can see, if you do paste all, whatever copied, everything will be pasted in the target place. This is very good useful feature. You can use this Clipboard Multipaste.